Hey guys, so normally you see my channel that I will review on computer, giving up tips on computer or even some mechanical keyboards or even building some mechanical keyboards, but you will never ever see me taking a look on a cordless handheld vacuum. So why are we looking at this? Well, this is due to my girlfriend would like to have a handheld cordless vacuum, and while I was looking through one of the Shopee and Lazada, I found this, the Airbot Hypersonic Pro. So let's take a look and see how good is it. So let's unbox this. Freak. You all didn't see here, nothing to see right there. Alright. Oh shit. Why there's no... Oh, wow. Oh. My girlfriend is behind the camera. You can see her. If you all could see her face, you all wouldn't be very might be a bit nervous like me. But oh shit, damn it! Why there's no bubble wrap in this package? Where's the bubble wrap? And here's the unboxing. Oh, okay. I will be gentle with it. Okay, let me see. Oh, there's really no have any bubble wraps on this. Oh my, oops. So that box empty. Off it goes. Alright, so this is the Airbot Hypersonic Pro. You see right here, responsive LED display, control at your fingertips. So this will be their front panel, I believe. Nice, it looks the same at the back, so I believe that. Alright, oh, here's the information. Airbot colorful LED display, control at your fingertips. So I think should be the display of the vacuum cleaner. And then active battery cut off when fully charged. Okay, that's quite nice to have for features. And then ultra fine roller brush, protect marble and wood. This is good. You can see right here we have a wooden floor. This will be very good for it. And then a sleek design, easy accessing and storage. So we'll see about this part. I'll see how compact is it. So besides that, you can see some signs on the warnings of do not hook, do not fragile, etc. And also, their brand right over here, Airbot. And then right, let me see, nothing really much happening right here. So let's take a look inside the box. So we can open it right here, I believe. Yep, right here. So, yeah. Ooh. So alright, so this is, I can see right here, this is the vacuum tube. So let me take it out and have a look and see. So this is the vacuum tube. Yep, it should be this part. Right over here. So this is actually the instruction manual. Let me take a look first. I'm a guy. Alright, so this is the vacuum tube. So let me put this aside. Alright, so continue on. Is there anything else here? Nope. Alright, so this, you can see right inside here, you can see some of the accessory. Let me have a good look at it. So you can see right here we have, this one looks like for some of the window shades or some small corners you can have it. Later I'll opening this up. So let me see what else there is. So this their cable, three-piece UK plug, and also this one looks like a standard what is it called? What pin is this? Standard pin that normally I will see it lying around everywhere. Then alright, so on the top here would be this one will be for those small corners, the head. And then alright, you can see right here. So this would be the what's the name again? Ultra Fine Roller Brush Protect Marble and Wood. Alright, I think this should be the one. Kinda soft. I'll take a look again. So alright, so let's take a look at this as the main part first. So this is actually the main body of the vacuum. So what's so special is could suck up to 15 microns, which is quite good. All the dust and everything could be handled. Okay, so one of the good features that I noticed is actually quite lightweight. So this the whole set could only like reach up to like roughly 1.2 kilos. From what I holding out here is roughly around 1 kg, more or less. I think not that high. I think it should be around 800 grams. And then another part that I found really interesting to me is the cap. Alright, so this is actually the battery. Okay, so this is where's all the weight coming from. I thought it would be like something like Dyson, that where the battery would be right here, but nope. The battery is right over here. Oh wow, this is really up to 1 kg. I trust them, it's 1 kg. Another stuff I noticed that when I purchased one, the capacity is around 0.8 liters of dust it could collect. So this is quite good. You could have like a 45 minutes vacuum and you could fill this up. Okay, so the battery is actually if I'm 220 milliampere with 47 watt per hour, so roughly around 450 watts. So alright, so this is the battery. I believe it could roughly with this amount of time, and also let me roughly guess is roughly around 45 minutes or less, depending on the power, on the mood I believe. Okay, alright, so let's assemble the vacuum and let's try it out and see. First thing first, let's assemble the main unit. So I believe it's only come in space grey only, right? Yep, should be correct. It only come with this color. So differently from the Dyson, I noticed first thing first is the battery is not this one. This is not the battery. The battery is actually right over here. So for the battery, this is the battery. Let me put this aside first. Alright, the heavy battery. Let me throw this aside. Let me throw all this aside off from the frame. I need this. Okay, so this is the battery. So from what I see from the manual, just a simple. I'm not sponsored by these AirPods, so I'm not sure if I'm doing it correctly. Am I doing it correctly? One moment. Yeah, there's no click for the battery, so you can see right here. I'm not sure is it sit properly or not. How to remove it? Oh, okay. Let me try again. Oh. Okay, the battery is in. Do note that I noticed that the battery is not fully seated. I'm not sure why. It's not fully seated at the, you can see right over the ring here. You can see, and even the bottom doesn't look like a fit. Oh, it's not fit. It's not actually not fit. Let me try resting it again. Alright, so you need to whack it quite hard to make it fit like this. Okay, alright, you can see the ejection is right. Ejection button is right over here. So click it and pull it out, you eject. Okay, alright. So let's take a look at the LCD one touch screen something. So it's right here. So let me see how do I play with it. This is the LED. Quite loud for a vacuum. So this is actually the low mode. So let's see, medium and high. Quite a suction to say. Okay. Alright. So let's continue assembling this. The suction I could see is quite powerful. Should be powerful enough. So let's continue on. Let us play with the default set first. So, alright. So let me see. This should be the same click, the click part into the click part. So you can see right here, there's actually a queue on this. You can see right here and here. They actually need to be together. So I believe this is correct. Yep. That click. Alright. Okay, alright. Back to serious business. Okay, so let me try the brush mop or something like that. So this will be the head. Alright. Okay, now this is officially this should be more than 1.2 kilos. Hold on a second. Okay, so for the full size vacuum cleaner is roughly around 2.5 kg for the whole handheld, which is the whole thing. So we have a maximum of 2.5 kg. Alright, so let's take a test and see. I have some wooden things on the floor. So let's just test the vacuum cleaner and also the sound. So this is the maximum. You can see right here the sound is quite loud, but personally I do not really like kind of heavy, not that smooth. Let me take a look and see why is it not that smooth. It's not as smooth as Dyson from what I see. Okay. So, alright, you see some hair right here. For the charging, so I see right here, this is the charger. So let me quickly release the cable type. So like roughly this long of a cable, only roughly around 1 meter of cable. So let's take a look at the charging. So the charging port is actually right over here. Alright, so boop, and it's charged. For the release of the container, from what I see, it says, ooh, a bit scary. Let me take a look again. Yep, it's like that. Okay, to release the inner things, they said we need to unplug right over here to release it. Oh, the whole thing sounds very plasticky and very brittle. So this is a bit scary. So alright, so just release this one. Drop all your stuff into the dustbin. So once you are cleaned up, then you just drop back in here. So from the box, it says has easy to keep, but I don't see any mounting for it lah. You see right here, it says that easy accessing and storage. I don't know what do they mean by that. There's no storage for this, so I think it's just might be easy to keep like this. So I am not a vacuum expert, but I think that should be all I could say about this vacuum. So if you all like the video, do like. If you all are interested to seeing some of my mechanical keyboards or even my PC, do take a look right here. I'll be putting a video right over here. If you do enjoy the video, do subscribe. It could really help me out. I put the links of where I purchased this vacuum write in the description below. If you have any comments, do comment down below. I'll be answering them if I had a chance. So I'll be seeing you all. Goodbye.